Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior.
It's a modern house which is actually quite minimalist in decoration. But there are things that are very interesting in interior decoration, especially in the decoration on the walls. What's the decoration like? Watch the next session. The project originated from the owner's desire to have a swimming pool in his apartment. Brazilian architect Fernanda Marques embraced this wish and decided to place the pool in the living room, creating a strong and impactful element. The apartment spans 477 square meters and is divided into 2 levels. The slender pool, measuring 10 meters long and separated by 8 cm thick bonded glass panels, extends throughout the entire length of the double-height living room. Instead of tropical fish or dolphins, the pool serves as an unconventional aquarium, where one can observe someone gracefully twirling, spinning, and sliding underwater. The lower level consists of the living room, dining room, and kitchen. The upper level includes the master and guest bedrooms, a fitness room, an office, and access to the pool. A mezzanine connects the master bedroom, living room, and pool through glass panels, with the primary objective of creating a harmonious and seamless display for the client's art collection, while also considering its future expansion. Fernanda Marques immediately chose minimalism as the style of choice. Furthermore, careful attention was given to the lighting design in order to enhance the collection. A gallery on the lower floor was specifically created, featuring a single-track lighting rail that currently accommodates several spotlights, with the flexibility to accommodate more as the collection continues to grow. At the end of the gallery, the crystallized water from the pool stands as a majestic focal point.